Start.
I, like all Pakistanis, have been extremely upset by the events of the past few days, especially the arson of our armed forces installations and Shohada monuments. I myself belong to an army family, having grown up in different cantonments. It is heartbreaking to see all that has transpired. I am also regretful of my own tweet on Twitter, where I tweeted inappropriate remarks about our High Command. It was a tweet I did in the heat of the moment, which I deleted within an hour as well. I deeply regret the hurt caused by that insensitive comment and apologize for this. My desire is for all the nation to come together and heal as one as soon as possible. Pakistan Zindabad. Pakistan Army Payindabad.
Start.
I, like all Pakistanis, have been extremely upset by the events of the past few days, especially the arson of our armed forces installations and Shohada monuments.